Nestled along Florida's Gulf Coast, Redington Beach is known for its stunning waterfront homes, coastal charm, and architectural elegance. Homeowners here value both style and substance, where every design detail enhances comfort, beauty, and functionality. One upgrade that perfectly embodies these qualities is custom door installation. For luxury homeowners, a door isn't just a functional entryway, it's a statement of design, security, and craftsmanship. Whether you're building a new property or renovating a coastal retreat, custom doors can elevate your Redington Beach home in ways standard options simply can't match. Let's explore how tailored door solutions bring elegance, performance, and long-term value to your luxury residence. A grand first impression. Doors designed for luxury. The front door sets the tone for your entire home. Custom door installations allow homeowners to design an entryway that reflects their personal style while complementing their property's architecture. From grand double entry doors with glass accents to sleek, minimalist pivot doors, customization offers unlimited possibilities. In Redington Beach, where Mediterranean, modern coastal, and contemporary designs dominate, bespoke doors can be crafted to harmonize with your home's unique aesthetic. High-end materials such as solid mahogany, oak, fiberglass composites, or custom steel bring both visual appeal and durability. You can also incorporate custom hardware, intricate glasswork, and finishes that elevate your entrance into a true architectural feature. Your door becomes more than an entry, it becomes an expression of craftsmanship and personality. Built for coastal conditions, living in Redington Beach means enjoying ocean breezes, sunshine, and breathtaking views, but it also means exposure to humidity, salt air, and occasional storms. Custom door solutions are designed with Florida's coastal environment in mind. Premium materials and finishes protect your investment against corrosion, fading, and warping. For example, fiberglass and marine-grade steel resist moisture and salt exposure. Impact-resistant glass panels protect against high winds and debris. Energy-efficient insulation and tight sealing help regulate indoor temperatures. By combining style with engineering, luxury homeowners can enjoy doors that remain stunning and functional for years, even in the face of Redington Beach's demanding weather. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. One of the most desirable features of Redington Beach homes is their connection to the outdoors. Custom door installations can enhance this lifestyle through expansive glass designs, sliding or folding doors, and pivot systems that open wide to blend indoor and outdoor spaces effortlessly. Imagine entertaining guests on your patio while soft ocean air flows through large retractable doors, or waking up to sunlight streaming through custom glass panels overlooking the Gulf. Modern custom doors can be designed with UV protection, thermal barriers, and noise reduction features, allowing homeowners to enjoy views and light without sacrificing comfort or privacy. Enhanced security with sophisticated design. Luxury homes demand security without compromising elegance. Custom doors offer both. Advanced features like multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and smart access technology ensure peace of mind. You can also integrate fingerprint or keypad entry systems for added convenience. Even security glass, designed to withstand impact while remaining visually refined, can be customized to your desired level of privacy and style. These upgrades allow homeowners to protect what matters most while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Tailored craftsmanship for every space. Custom door installation isn't limited to entryways. Many Redington Beach homeowners are choosing tailored designs for interior and patio doors as well. From glass French doors that divide open living spaces to custom barn doors crafted from reclaimed wood, bespoke options add continuity and character throughout the home. Each door is made to exact specifications, ensuring perfect fit, alignment, and performance. Professional installers use precision techniques to ensure every detail, from hinge placement to insulation, meets luxury standards. Investing in long-term value. While custom door installation requires an upfront investment, it offers significant long-term returns. In addition to increasing home value, These doors enhance energy efficiency, lower maintenance costs, and contribute to your property's lasting appeal. For Redington Beach homeowners, a beautifully designed and expertly installed custom door is not only a design choice, it's a statement of quality and refinement that defines the entire home. Final thoughts: in Redington Beach, luxury living means balancing coastal elegance with practicality and performance. Custom door installation solutions offer the perfect combination of beauty, resilience, and craftsmanship. Whether you envision a bold modern entryway, a seamless glass patio door, or a handcrafted wooden statement piece, investing in a custom design ensures your home stands apart in style and sophistication. Transform your Redington Beach residence with a door that reflects your lifestyle, where every detail speaks to luxury, comfort, and timeless design.